Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey! It is your girl Tash and welcome back. For today's video guys, you know what it is. It's time for a Dollar Tree haul. Oh. Roll the clip. Roll the clip. Roll the clip. Alright you guys, so first things first, Easter is right around the corner, essentially. Time flies when you're having fun. So I did pick up some Easter things. I picked up these super cute chrome Easter eggs. They didn't make these when I was a kid. So I thought these were really cute to decorate my studio with. I'm going to decorate a little bit back here for you guys. And then I saw these ones as well that are super cute. And they kind of look like they have glitter on them. They do have ones with glitter, but I know from Christmas time decorating, we're not doing the glitter again. So I got these instead. And then I got this vase, or vase if you're bougie. I got this, and I'm gonna fill it up with some of the eggs. So then, I finally picked up some Ione lashes because of my friend Jessica here on YouTube. Behind the Vanity, I will have her channel linked down below. If you love Dollar Tree, you will love my girl Jess. Make sure that you check her out and let her know I sent you. So she's always raving about the Ione faux mink lashes. I saw them finally, I had to grab them. And then I get really, and I mean real hot. So I saw these cute little fans there, you guys. They had several colors. They take AA batteries, and I'm excited to try it. I'm hoping that I can just set it here on my filming table. I hope it works good, because if it does, I'm gonna go back and get a couple more for when Nick and I go camping. So super cute. And of course, it was only $1. Alright guys, so the next thing that I always pick up when I go to Dollar Tree are these cotton pads. They're really, really good, not to be gross, but to be gross. They do help get blackheads out of your skin when you are doing your toner and things. So definitely don't pay more than $1. Alright, so the next thing I picked up, one of my friends here on YouTube raves about the Bolero After Shower Body Cream. It's called the After Shower Cream, and then it says Cactus, Pear plus Avocado Body Yogurt. So I finally picked this one up. I did not smell it in the store, and I'm curious to know what it smells like. I think it's my friend Nina. Ooh, it does smell good. So really excited to try this. Let's try a little bit right now. It's just creamy like a lotion. It smells really nice. So I'm pretty sure it was my friend Nina. She also does a lot of hauls and Dollar Tree hauls, so I will link her channel down below. If I forget to link the channels, guys, if you go to my channel page and it'll say to the side channels that I love, the women that I'm telling you about now, their channels are always listed on there. And so the next thing that I picked up was some cotton swabs, and it's because I have this little guy right here. I use these a ton when I'm filming or when I'm just doing my makeup on a daily basis. The next thing I picked up is this butane lighter for lighting candles. Ours ran out finally, and I just don't see a reason to pay any more than $1 for one. This works just as good as the big ones that cost a couple bucks or $6 or whatever they cost. I'm not sure, to be honest. Alright, so I finally found the Makeup Vanishing Towel by Sassy and Chic. So I did pick up two. I use this every day, not this specific one. I use my makeup eraser literally every single day when I'm cleansing my face, or whether I'm removing makeup or whether I'm not. I always use it, and I always use the one that my girlfriend from Canada sent me when I did the Dollarama haul. And so I'm hoping that this is at least the same size. This looks really small, but maybe it's just folded differently. No, it's really small, but I'm gonna give it a try. You know, it's good enough to get your makeup off, I think, personally. I swear the ones that I've seen people hauling are a little bit bigger. But that's cool. It says no soap needed on the package, so essentially it's supposed to be a dupe for the makeup eraser. Alright, so I picked up a couple of these acrylic gems, and they're like decorative accents. They actually show the red ones here, and I was looking for those, but I was able to find the blue. If you ever checked out any of the postings and things like that on my feed on Instagram, you'll notice that sometimes I snap pictures with clear diamonds, and it's just essentially these. And I just think it gives a little something extra to the aesthetic of posting photos on Instagram. So just makes them really pretty. So same thing with these. They have several different sizes, several different counts. I think there's 3 to 4 different sizes that you can get, and these are faux pearl beads. I picked up the 40 count, 60 count, and 80 count, and they're just different sizes. So these are a little bit larger. And then you have the middle pack, about a medium size. And then you have the smaller pack, which you get 80 in. Again, these are just things that I think makes my photos look prettier on Instagram. So, all right. So the next thing that I picked up was some batteries. So I have them on hand for the fan. For whatever reason, we never have AA batteries in our house. I'm not really sure why, but I tend to always buy AAA. So I picked these up. These are the E-circuit, and it looks like you get 6. I don't have any issues in my beauty tools with the cheap batteries from Dollar Tree, so I just tend to keep repurchasing them because they last forever. So it just really depends on what you need them for. So we have been needing a salt and pepper shaker for the area, well, where we cook. So I picked these up because they're super big and they remind me of little mason jars, which we have a ton of mason jars. So I think that these will work really good for salt and pepper. And I like them because they're large. You don't have to keep refilling them. And they came with these. Now I did see ones that did not have the top with the holes on them. So make sure that you look at them before you purchase them, because they have ones with the strainers and ones without. I also picked up 2 different kinds of the planner stickers. I was so excited to find these. You get 300 of these in a pack. So I've never been able to find these at my Dollar Tree. Now I did. So really, really happy about that. I love my planner. And the stickers just make it more aesthetically pleasing to look at, in my opinion. I picked up 2 of the Color Easy Dark Brown, because y'all know I got a little bit of Pepe Le Pew gray going on. Speaking of which, what do you guys think of them canceling Pepe Le Pew? What is this world coming to? Alright, so the next 3 products that I grabbed are Easter decor for the wall behind me and kind of on the sides. I had a lot of fun decorating for Christmas. I didn't go all out for Easter, but I do have a few products that I think will make the background a little more pretty for Easter. So I picked up this little guy because he just stole my heart. Super cute. And then I picked up the bigger bunny, which I thought was really cute. And he's got an Easter egg. And then I also grabbed this one. It's just, I think it's an Easter basket. Yeah, Easter basket with eggs. Love the yellow, the colorful. I picked up these because to me these have those bright, pretty colors on it. And I know that a lot of you come to my channel to kind of escape everything that's going on in the world. And these bright, beautiful colors make us all happy. I mean, they make me happy. I was like, ooh, they're so cute. So I can't wait to decorate with those. And then I said I picked up 2 of the hair color that I use. And then I have noticed that these tend to rub off the little, where it tells you the sizes and stuff. Now I know that I actually know the size and everything because we use these literally on a daily basis, it seems like. But I'd rather have the correct size on there. So I did pick up another one. They're $1. To me, you can't beat that for measuring cups and things. I did pick up a 2nd pack of the batteries. I got my honey a loofah. And then I found these wipes. They're body wipes by Bolero, and it says made with an essential oil blend. They're both alcohol free. They're called cleansing wipes for the body. This one is they're both 30 count. This one says lemon verbena sage, which I love that scent. And then I also like lemongrass, so I picked this one up, which is lemongrass and ginger. it's getting that time of year where I really enjoy being able to just grab a wipe and kind of refresh when I'm sweating. I am in my mid-30s, and unfortunately I'm going in menopause I'm in menopause for those of you who don't know. So I sweat like crazy. Plus, I mean, I am a bigger girl, so. But I enjoy having these like in my purse or in the bathroom, or, you know, where I hang out in the living room, so that I can just wipe up, you know, and just feel a bit fresher. So the next product that I grabbed is, and I think we're at the end already, my goodness, okay. So, I do still have some of these left because I purchased a case of them. But I didn't want to run out. So I actually saw these at my Dollar Tree again, so I picked up 2 of each. These are the Personal Care Shave Cream, Pomegranate and Raspberry, and Lavender and Jasmine. If you are spending the money on the EOS ones, or you just have not tried these, you like a really closed, smooth shave, I'm telling you, try these. They're so good. They're always sold out at my Dollar Tree. And so, yeah, I finally just picked up a couple more. I didn't want to be greedy. I wanted to buy the whole shelf, but I didn't want to be greedy, so I left some. All right, you guys, so that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I want to know, what is the last couple of new items that you were just completely like excited but yet stoked, like you didn't expect to find them, but you found them at your Dollar Tree? Comment down below and let me know. All right, you guys, I want to say thank you as always for taking time out of your busy days to come hang out with me. You guys know I love you so much. I hope that you are all staying safe out there. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.